Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Revolut is hiring for support specialist social media role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the company first. People deserve more from their money. More visibility, more control, more freedom, and since 2015, Revolut has been on a mission to deliver just that. With an arsenal of awesome products that span spending, saving, travel, transfers, investing, exchanging and more. Our super app has helped 25 plus million customers to get more from their money, and we are not done yet. As we continue our lightning fast growth, we believe that two things are essential to continuing our success: our people and our culture. So far, we have 5,000 plus people working around the world from our great offices or remotely on our mission, and we are looking for more. We want brilliant people that love building great products, love redefining success, and love turning the complexity of a chaotic world into the simplicity of a beautiful solution. About the role, our customer support team is the public face of the company and provides first-class frontline support to our millions of customers. We are also internal customer champions, working with product teams to ensure users stay at the forefront of everything Revolut does. We are looking for well-spoken and super creative individuals to join our team as social media support specialists. This role isn't just about answering messages and comments quickly. This is about truly delivering wow levels of service. We want fast-acting problem solvers, not script readers. We want people to whom we can entrust the Revolut's image built through our social media platforms. We are a global financial super app, so we have to be available 24/7. That sometimes means working nights and weekends. We'll compensate you for the night shifts, but we understand this still isn't for everyone, so please bear that in mind before applying. What you will be doing: providing our users with an outstanding customer experience. It is part of our mission to make Revolut users feel secure whilst using our service. Collaborating with other teams internationally to tackle any customer issues. Managing and overseeing companies' Facebook, Twitter, Trustpilot accounts and more. Monitoring and moderating Revolut community page, publicly representing the company in front of hundreds of thousands of users. Interacting with users via direct messages and assisting them with issues they stumble upon, both retail and business product. Multitasking between social media platforms. Now, what are the requirements for this role? Flawless English language, empathy and love for helping people, ability to explain complex issues in an easy and understandable manner, excellent communication skills, strong attention to detail and analytical skills, self-motivation, flexibility, being a team player, self-learning, problem-solving skills, prior customer support experience, strong writing skills and great numeracy and IT skills. Nice to have: experience with social media platforms in previous job, experience with leading your own successful profile on any social media platform. This is Revolut's website. One app, all things money. Send, spend and save smarter. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After clicking on apply button, this page will open. Here is an application form. You have to fill all the details. First of all, there is a general information: your name, email ID, phone number, country of residence, preferred work location, work from home, so remote location is preferred. Show us your work, your LinkedIn profile. This is all optional. Then here are some details you have to enter. After filling this form, you have to click on this submit application button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.